How to log into Verve Mastercard. Hi guys, it's Migran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into Verve Mastercard. Login in Verve Mastercard is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit Verve, type Verve Mastercard, login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Click on the first link, it will take you to the home page. Once you are on the home page, scroll down below and you can see the features of Mastercard. Once you read it, go to the top and click on accept mail offer and you will be directed to the application form where you need to provide your reservation number and social security number. After entering your reservation and social security number, click on confirm reservation. Wait for approval. After submitting your application, you may receive an immediate decision or it may take a few days for your application to be reviewed. If additional information is needed, the issuer may contact you. By following this step, you can log into Verve Mastercard. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.